So today your job is to tinker with Photoshop, to experiment with it, to play around and figure things out. To be honest with you, I can teach you everything I know about Photoshop. You're going to open up the program and you're going to get stumped on what to do. The best way to learn this program is to get into it and actually start figuring things out. I want you to be your own designer. I want you to have your own style and your own way of doing things. And to do that, you have to figure out your version of X, Y, and Z. So today we're just going to create a simple document and you can go nuts with it. Create whatever you want to create with it. So we're going to start by hitting New File right here, or up at the top you can hit File, New. Command N is also the shortcut. Now we're going to ignore all these presets. I don't want any preset. We're just going to make our document ourselves. So first you're going to name your document whatever you want to name it. Then you're going to go to width, and the width of this document is going to be 3 inches wide. And I'm going to make it 2 inches tall. This is pretty close to the size of a business card. Now when I do that, it's going to change the orientation. It's going to make it landscape wide, which is what I want, business card style. Now where it says inches, please make sure that you are on inches here, because if you're on pixels or points, it'll let you type 3 and 2. It'll look right, but it's going to be a micro-sized document, real small. So make sure you're on inches and you type in 3 inches by 2 inches. Now the resolution, we're going to leave it 300, so it's got good clarity in this resolution. And under color mode, we are going to print these out. So RGB is for digital design. Anything that's going to show up on a screen is RGB. Anything that's going to be printed out of a printer is supposed to be CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So choose CMYK as your option and then hit create. So this is your canvas right here. You can do absolutely anything you want with it. Go find some images, bring them in here. Type your name on it, big, bold, and make your text look good. Experiment with your brushes. Experiment with your gradients, your smudge tools, your dodge tools. Play around with this and let's see what you come up with. Maybe you'll surprise yourself as you play around with this. You're better than you think with this program. So tinker with it. Don't be scared to fail. Failure is how you learn. So if you make a mistake, Command Z is always there to save you. So that's your daily dose of design. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.